So we're out today checking out a couple of food trucks in Ghana. My first time really seeing these types, but it looks very nice. Nice food trucks right here.
Like the same, that's the same size. Just different views.
Yeah, this just like our truck.
Watching, I want to see how it is.
Yes. I want to see if I can go in. Hello. Hi. Can I see? Can I take a look? It's a nice truck. I just wanted to see. Is it okay? Can I please take a look? I want to show people. Just look. I just want to see. It's nice. Oh my goodness. It's big. Oh. This is very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, the room is so big. It doesn't look this big, but it's very big on the inside.
Yo, inside is nice, man.
Yeah, it's big.
Total kitchen.
Total. Ah. Wow, just like ours.
Very good.
Nice one. Thank you. That's it, pie. Wow, look at here. Just like the
But
truck we
the
had.
stair is too hard. You're supposed to have a new stair. And their battery is inside where the stair is. So they're supposed to change it.
Oh, it's so they can have some power because they don't have generators, so they're using a battery.
Mechanics will come and...
It's a battery so it can have some power inside. Nice. Wow. Look at this. So they took the windows, we have the same ones, and they pushed them up. Then they put some curtain on there. This is very nice. In the food truck game, Chef John's Healthy Cuisine. Look at this one. It's wide open. It's fully open kitchen. They sell the local food, jollof and everything. How you doing, brother? Nice one. First time seeing this. So they have refrigerator, full stove. Is it okay if I can look? Can I look? Oh, okay. It's okay. So this is your truck? Is this for you?
I'm the boss.
Huh?
My boss.
Oh, your boss, okay. So you park here every day? Are you parked here normally or you move around?
I move around.
Oh, okay. Where?
Akamo.
Oh, Cramon now? Okay. So how long will you be there?
Oh, I'll be there till 10 o'clock.
Oh, okay. So you come here during the day?
The morning to afternoon.
Oh, morning to afternoon, okay. Nice one. Thank you. Look at this. Ghana is in the food truck game. It's like the third one I've seen. Nicely built, big and wide. Huh. Wow. Huh. We're in our new car. And we are moving around. No coronas is stopping us from moving around. We have 6 cases here, but they're in quarantine. Everyone is still moving around, selling food. It's okay. Washing hands, we're clean. They're not stopping or fretting. The president just closed all of the schools, all of the colleges, community places, no gatherings, no church. No church for 30 days. Yes. So we are here. We are not moving, not coming back to the US and all that madness. We are here. This is why you should be here. Because things are changing. So, see you later.